open them 3 mois. Pas ceci, prochain homme. C'est un même qui a fait le They have been for 19 months here. They don't pay nothing. They are stealing everything inside. I have equipment here. They are children. They can kill one children, one child one day. If I have equipment, kill somebody. If I make 12 who pass over somebody, who will be responsible? You will be responsible. You will pay for that. You will pay me for what they stole already. You will pay for the 19 months they say, and you represent them. If you represent them, give me my money. Okay? I don't accept that kind of shit. You go in your country, you do what? In Washington, not in Port-au-Prince. All right? Because they have been here for 19 months. I didn't receive 1 cent for nobody. From nobody.
You have UN protection, though.
$10,000 of equipment.
Why is the UN here?
My equipment.
Why is the UN here?
What?
Why is the UN here?
The United Nations.
Why is the UN here? Why do you have UN protection? Why am I here?
Yes. Why are you here?
I want to know why the UN.
From Washington, D.C.
Washington.
We heard there was an eviction happening.
Well, you.
I mean, tell Washington to come here and take my land.
I'm on the delegation now.
I don't care. I don't care.
Have you gone through the tribunal? Have you gone through the judicial process to have them removed from your land?
Have you gone through the judicial
You like them? No problem. Go with them.
It's not about liking people. It's about human rights.
Human rights? I have my rights also.
Right.
They are stealing me my things in.
And the courts are to protect the courts are there to protect.
Listen. You're talking about Washington. I'm not in Washington. Okay? You want them? Take them and go to Washington.
No, here.
All right?
You're
But
right.
here, when I'm losing my money, nobody will come here to give me back my money.
So have you gone
You're talking
No.
bullshit. But when I'm losing my money, nobody comes to take me. Okay, this is a check for you.
If you're going to talk, you have to let us talk. You're correct. Have you gone to get your money from the government? Have you gone through the process of they're on my land?
Listen,
so
I'm going to solve my problem by myself. You want to come here, I will do what I have to do.
So there's no laws that you
And I don't give a
respect.
shit about anything anymore.
So you don't respect
19
law.
months, okay? 19 months. Where were you? 19 months. Why did you give them houses? Why didn't you come here from 19 months to you are a millionaire, a multi-millionaire? Why did you get your money in your pocket to build a house for them? You're shitting all the house. They have been there. OEM come. All Red Cross, everybody come here. For what? For nothing. For shit. But you are representing those people. You have many $1 million, I know that. And nobody knows that you have $1 million. If you are representing them, if you like them so much, why don't you build a house for them? Why don't you want to them to say here like, what the hell you're talking about now? I mean, I'm discussing second, you like I make you get out. You like them, take them with your house. I'm talking about the people.
He's not explaining. They know each other when he first came here.
No, mais bouquet.
Non, tout ça, me trompe, mon monde fait là.
Mais bouquet. On connaît. Avec petit blanc.
Yes.
Avec petit blanc, on connaît.
You were here with the little white guy.
Mais problème, tout docteur, moi, j'ai la campagne 15 jours. Gratis. Mais de la campagne, de dormir. J'ai petit blanc, il a dit, mal, j'ai mené à l'hôpital. Mais quand on peut tolérer que les gars sont côté, sont venus, c'est là, mon cher. Comme de plein $1 million. S'il te gagne $1 million, $1 million, faut construire quatre.
Non, ça qui importe la personne, ça doit.
Déjà, il y a $1 million.
Mais ça passe.
Je suis un gros acteur, il m'habitue à la télévision, tout le monde la connaît. Alors, pas qu'à venir t'apprendre là, mon cher. Faut prendre l'argent dans la poche, in your pocket, build a house for them, and go with them.
Ok, mais ça là. Ça pour Mounio va avec notre terre, pas été avant pour eux.
L'ami, ça fait 19 mois.
Attendez, quand il y a ça là, bon façon pour le faire.
On fait, l'ami.
Processus là, c'est suivi.
L'ami, chaque jour, m'a perdu là, ou à payer mieux.
Ok.
Est-ce qu'on paye mieux?
Ok, si vous avez fait dit, on a arrangé nous avec Mounio, avec mes.
OIM devine plus mal, OIM devine là 10 fois, OIM raconte des histoires, et on aime droit moi, et on aime ceci, on aime cela. Bullshit.
Ya, ok,
moi-même, m'balé nous. Moi-même, m'a pris l'odeur, m'nettoyer. N'a bien arrêté. M'a cassé là. Et me dit là, et ouais, monsieur, you are au courant. M'a nettoyer là. Because 19 months they are there. OEM came here. I gave them 3 months since April. They told me that they were going to take care of those people. They were supposed to make a fence here because I told them that I have big equipment here. I have trucks coming in and out. One day an accident can happen here. Who will be responsible for that? They told me they are going to build a circle fence here. They never did it. me for 3 months. Okay?
Did they come back? No.
So the IOM and the Red Cross.
They came back for nothing. They didn't do nothing.
They promised.
After that, I came to those people. After the 3 months, I told them, listen, you have to get out. They told me, okay, give me 15 days. We go out. Yes, they told they go out. After I told them, okay, the 20 will be the last day. They told me, no problem, we will go out.
The 20th of August, today.
I told them, listen, you have to dismantle your tent and go out. Because 19 months is enough. And when I'm losing my thing inside, nobody give me a check to pay me back. And the door is open. Anybody can go in and out, take whatever they want, and nobody sees nothing.
Sir, is this a
You have
factory
200
that you
people
own?
here, but they can steal whatever they want. Nobody sees nothing.
Sir, what is it that's here? Is this a factory that you own? I'm just trying to understand. Is this a factory property?
What is your business?
What's the business?
He makes a van out of rock. So, c'est un victime problème.
Ça fait 19 mois que... Écoute, ok. Vous parlez que moi ça. Ok. Maman, une question. Si un camion perd différents écraser 2-3 mois là, ça responsable. C'est même responsable. Ah, on va connaître personne. C'est pendant ce temps, tout le monde a fait pression.